Why do Croatian word endings change so many times? Let's look at kuća. It's a feminine noun. Why do I hear in Croatia kuća, kuće, kući, kuću, sa kućom? Why? What's going on? Croatian changes the end of a word to show its job in the sentence. Think of the ending as a little label. It tells us what the noun is doing. The nominative case is the subject case. It tells us who or what the sentence is about. Kuća je plava. The house is blue. What is blue? Kuća. The house is blue. Let's look at the accusative case. It's dealing with a direct object. Kuća then becomes kuću. Ja vidim kuću. I see the house. I see the direct object. Let's look at the locative case. Kuća changes to kući. U kući sam. I am in the house. The genitive case is made up of lots of little words called prepositions. And one of those prepositions is kod, which means at. Kod. Kod kuće. Ja sam kod kuće. I am at home. Kod, at, kuće. Kod kuće. Kuća changes to sa kućom in the instrumental case. The instrumental case deals with the house. Imam problem sa kućom. I have a problem with the house. Then we have kuća changing to kući in the dative case. Now, prema means towards, and this is a preposition found in the dative case. Hodam prema kući. I'm walking towards the house. So kuća changed 6 times. Subscribe and we'll learn more about it.